Hey guys, we're gonna do a quick what fits in my bag with this Goyard Cap Vert, which I love. So this is the Goyard's Cap Vert bag. It's a messenger type bag, crossbody. The strap is not detachable, but it's adjustable. It's got one outside pocket that fits my phone very, very easily. It's quite spacious. It'll slide right in. I'm recording on it, can't see it. And then it's one big compartment in the middle with one pocket. I don't have a bag organizer and I love bag organizers, so I put fit right into the bag and protect the bag. So it's actually quite, it's like literally the same size.